Excuse me. Hello. I have to tell you one thing very
Yes?
quickly. Yeah, I think you look very nice.
Thank you.
You look very relaxed.
Yeah?
It's because you're not from London.
Of course I am.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, because usually people in London look very focused.
Yeah, I'm very thank you.
Yeah. Are you?
Yeah, of course.
Yeah, really?
Trying to get money a new destination.
Okay, but you don't look like.
No, I'm not from London. I live in London.
Yeah, because you got this suspicious tan.
That's the one.
Yeah. So I'm guessing you're from Croatia.
No. Absolutely not.
No?
No.
I don't know.
You could never guess my accent anyway.
Really?
Yeah, I'm in a hurry. I'm so
Me
sorry.
too, actually.
Okay.
But one thing I noticed about you is you have a really nice physique.
Oh, great.
Do you do the bench press?
Yeah, do I? Yeah, I guess that's the reason why. The fuck? You mad?
I'm joking.
You live in London?
I do.
What you doing here?
What do I do in London? I sell drugs.
Oh, great. Lovely.
I'm joking.
Okay, bye.
No, I'm joking.
Don't do drugs.
No, I do property.
Do you? Development?
Yeah. Do you?
No, I do like.
Okay. I thought you do. Yeah, you don't.
Yeah, prostitution.
Prostitution. Okay,
No,
like
not
that.
that one, but.
That is a little bit too forward.
Yeah, just joking.
Yeah. Okay. I wouldn't have guessed because you look more like creative.
Do I?
Mm.
Yeah, I have my creative flair as well. But yeah, I know my work.
Yeah. And what do you do when you're not working? You do.
I play
Sports.
golf and tennis.
You play tennis.
Yeah.
So that's
I used to play professionally for 9 years.
really.
You got money for that. So,
So
yeah, it
you
was
have
really
the
good.
biceps.
Yeah. The chest is really good.
The chest. I guess you don't really need that for tennis, do you?
No.
It's more of
Kinda, yeah.
like your arms, isn't it?
Yeah.
And
Everything.
you gotta
Stamina.
be stamina, yeah. Yeah, because I don't play tennis a lot, but I played it a few times, and it's
Right.
really tiring.
Oh, of course it is.
Yeah.
It's very tiring. But yeah, anyways,
Yeah, I know you have to go. I'm Navid. Navid.
Navid.
Yeah.
That's
You're funny. You're funny. Well, listen. Another time, I would love to invite you out.
yeah. Do you reckon you can afford me?
Would you? Are you still doing the prostitution job?
No. But yeah, okay, I can give you my number.
Okay.
So I can run.
Hmm?
So I can go because I'm
Yeah,
so
I know,
in
I
a
know.
hurry. My friends have literally been waiting for me like 2 hours. You can text me.
I'll call you now, so you got my number.
Okay. See?
Go.
Not the wrong one.
Do you remember my name?
Yes. I did.
See you.